Hey guys, what's up? I know I've not filmed in a long time, but tomorrow's the Super Bowl. It is Saturday, February 2nd, and it's pretty dark outside actually. Wait. Why? Can't really see out there. Wow, that sucks. But it's raining right now, and tomorrow the Super Bowl. So I think, wow, that's pretty crazy. Shut this. Yes, it's pretty crazy that it's raining the day before the Super Bowl. But then I remembered it does not rain everywhere. That when it rains on my house. I live. Well, I can't really say that. Well, actually, I can. I live in Idaho, so we get some rain. Well, not some. I mean, like, we get more than some, like, way more. But, yeah. So, we get a lot of rain. I mean, a lot of rain. And not that much of a big deal. I mean, like, it's okay. It's not like, it's not like attacking up the rain. That'd actually be really funny. But I'm pretty sure all the rain's gonna turn into snow, so yeah. Get that money. $5, man. Money, no. Well, yeah, that's basically it. I mean, like, I'm looking for my old phone right now. My older phone, because if I don't find my old phone, then I may be able to get the screen fixed on it. I'm just looking for the old phone. I've been looking all day. Besides once when I went to the library for like 12 hours. No, about 6 hours to play Minecraft. No, not Minecraft. Roblox. Sorry for you guys who play Minecraft. Or you who play Roblox and you guys don't like each other, but I play them both. So, yeah. Basically, that's all I really wanted to say. That it's just raining here. And if it's raining in your state, in your house, please tag down below, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.